Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. So today we are going to cover another lesson. So we have here expression wishes. So we are going to know the difference between present wish and the past wish. This is the difference between them. So we are going to cover present wish and past wish. Then we have at the end of this video we have to cover some exercises, how we should form present wish and how we should express past wish. Okay, so starting with present wish. For example, here we have the first sentence. We have I don't have a car. I don't have a car. Do I have a car right now? No, but I wish I had a car. So if you want to express that wish, you have to use expressing wish. I wish I had a car, but right now I don't have it. Okay, so this is we call present wish. We have here another example. I don't play sports. I'm fat. So I don't play sports. I'm fat. So I wish I played sports. Okay, do I play sport right now? No, but I wish. Okay, so here present wish, the use of that thing is to express hope for things to change. Maybe in the future, so I'm going to have a car and I'm going to play also sports. Okay, so we wish or we hope. So if we want to express hope for things that can be changed. Okay, so that is going to be changed in the future, something like that. So going back to the first example, when we say I don't have a car. Okay, I wish I had a car. We are going, if you want to analyze the sentence, which sense? This sentence, I don't have a car. This is in present. Okay, in simple present. Okay, so I don't have a car is in simple present. But when we say I wish I had a car, or we can say if only I had a car. Okay, it turns to simple past. Okay, it turns to simple past, means that when we have a present wish, or the form, how we are going to form present wish, we are going to use wish. So wish, or if only plus the simple past of the verb. Okay, we have to use the simple past of the verb, like we have in this example and in this example. Here we have I don't play sports. Okay, I don't play sports. Which tense that we have here? It's simple present. Okay, it's in present, right? Good. But when we turn it to that, if you want to express that wish, you have to use simple past, like we have here. I wish I played sports, and the verb play here is conjugated in simple past. Okay, it's conjugated in simple past. Okay, right? We can say I don't play sports. I'm fat. So I wish I played sports. Okay, so I don't have money. So do I have money right now? No, but I wish I had money. I wish I had money. So the use of present wish, we use it if you want to express hope for things to change. Okay, we express hope for things to change. Okay, this is the general idea, or the general thing concerning present wish. And the use that we should know, we should conjugate the verb wishes plus simple past. Means that we have to put I wish, or if only, plus the subject. Okay, plus the past simple of the verb. Okay, so wish plus the subject plus the past simple of the verb, or we have to put if only plus the subject plus the past simple of the verb, right? Okay, this is the concerning present wish. Go into the past wish. The past wish is a little bit different. It's different to the present wish. For example here, so let's see this example. We have I didn't play sports, I was fat. I didn't play sports, I was fat. Okay, so if you want to write with wishes, one thing you have to do, we say I wish I had played sports. So we are going to analyze the sentences that we have here. So we have I didn't play sports. I didn't play sports. So which sense that we have here? So when we say I didn't play sports, means it's simple past, right? It's simple past. Okay, I didn't play sports, tense is simple, past simple tense. But when we are writing with wishes, okay, we have to, what do you think that we have here? I wish I had played sports. I wish I had played sports. Here we have I wish I had played sports. So which sense that we have here? It's past perfect. Okay, it's past perfect. Okay, I wish I had played sports. Okay, so we are going to know the use. Okay, we have the use of the past wish. So what is the use? The use is what? Express regret. Okay, we are expressing regret for things that can't be changed. Okay, for things that can't be changed, it's impossible. And right now we have kind of regret. Okay, it's kind of regret. For example, we say, going back to this example, we have I didn't play sports, I was fast. In the past, I didn't play sports and I was really fast. And right now I have a kind of regret. Okay, so we can say I wish I had played sports, but in reality I didn't play sports. Okay, so but right now it's like having kind of regrets. Okay, you are regretting that things. We can say I wish I had played sports. Okay, so we have another example here. I didn't revise my lesson. I didn't revise my lesson. Say I wish I had revised. So I wish I had revised. When we say I didn't revise, means it's a sentence that is in simple past tense. Okay, it's in simple past tense. But here we say I wish I had revised my lesson. So which tense that we have here is past perfect. Okay, is past perfect. Okay, why? Because we have had and the past participle. Like this in the example that we have here. I had played, had plus the past participle, and this is the form of past perfect, right? Good. So we have I wish I had revised my lesson. In reality, so maybe last year I didn't revise my lesson very well. So and right now or just yesterday I didn't revise my lesson and I have kind of regret today. You can say I wish I had revised my lesson. Okay, it's kind of regret. So we use it if you want to express regret for things that can't be changed. Okay, we are expressing some regrets or something like that for things that can't be changed. What's done is done. We cannot change the thing that happened in the past. Okay, so we have express regret for things that can't be changed. So now we have to know the form of simple of past wish. When we have past wish, we are going to use either wish, okay, or we can use if only plus plus the subject plus the past perfect. Okay, plus the past perfect. And the rule of past perfect or the form of past perfect is had plus the past participle of the verb. Okay, this is how we form past perfect. Okay, so the rule of past wish, we use it, you can say wishes, if only, or I wish, plus the subject plus the past participle or the past perfect of the verb. Like in this example that we have just covered here, we say I wish I had revised my lesson. We can say I wish I had played sports. Okay, this is concerning expressing wishes, either present wish or past past wish. When we have present wish, we have to follow this form. We can put wishes plus the subject plus the past simple. Like in this example, we have I wish I played sports. We can I wish I had a car, and we use it if you want to express hope for things to change. Okay, we have hope for things to change, but the past wish is another thing. Past wish, we are having kind of regret for things that can't be changed. Okay, so and the use of the past wish, we have to put wishes plus the subject plus the past perfect of the past perfect tense, means had plus the past participle. Okay, so right now we are going to cover some exercises in order to practice. Okay, in order to practice the thing, either present wish or past wish. So right now we are going to practice. Okay, we are going to do some exercises, and those exercises are taken from previous national exams. Means that this is how they may ask you, I think, concerning this lesson, expressing wishes. So let's start. Here we have, it's a pity I didn't study biology. So when you read this sentence, we should identify first which tense. So that we have here. So we have here, I didn't study. Means we have this sentence is in simple past. Okay, this sentence is in simple past. Means it's a past wish. It's a past wish. So the form of past wish, we have to use wish plus the past perfect of the verb. Okay, the past perfect means that we are going to say he wishes. Okay, he wishes he. So he wishes he, and the past perfect, he wishes he had studied. Okay, he wishes he had studied biology. Okay, he wishes he had studied biology. Okay, he wishes he had studied biology. Means since it is a past wish, we are going to use wishes plus the past perfect. Means we are going to use wish plus the past perfect. And this is that we did what we did here. He wishes he had studied biology. Okay, so the second sentence we have, I don't have money to pay for my studies. I don't have money to pay for my studies. When you read this sentence here, we say I don't have. Means it's a sentence in simple present. Okay, it's in simple present. Then it is a present wish, and when we have present wish, we are going to use the wishes plus the simple past of the verbs. Means you are going to conjugate verbs after the wish. We are going to conjugate them in simple past. Like here we have I wish I wish I had. Okay, I wish I had money. I wish I had money to pay for my studies. Okay, I wish I had money to pay for my studies. Since it's a past wish, we are going to use wish plus the simple past. Okay, so wish plus the simple past. And the thing that we did here, I wish I had money, we conjugate the verb have in simple past. I wish I had money to pay for my studies. So next one, the third one, Simon regrets abandoning his university. Okay, so when you read this sentence, we have the verb regrets is conjugated in simple present. Okay, so it's a sentence in simple present. Then it's a present wish, and when we have present wish, we are going to do the same that we have here. We are going to put wish plus the simple past. So what are you going to do here? He wishes he didn't. Okay, he wishes he didn't, or he wishes he didn't abandon, okay, abandon with a, sorry, abandon, so his, he didn't abandon his university studies, okay, so university studies means that when we have present wish, it turns to, okay, we are going to do wishes plus simple past. And the thing that we did, what he did here, he didn't abandon, okay, he wishes he didn't abandon his university studies. Okay, so we move to the fourth one. We have I didn't eat my lunch. I didn't eat my lunch. When you read this sentence here, it's in simple past, okay, it's in simple past, therefore it's a past wish, okay, it's a past wish. Means what do you think we are going to follow? Since we have a past wish, we are going to do the past perfect of the verb wish plus the past perfect tense. So we can say I wish I had, okay, I wish I had eaten, okay, I wish I had eaten my lunch, okay, I wish I had eaten my lunch, okay. So the thing that we have, that we put wish plus the past perfect, okay, so plus the past perfect. When we have present wish, we are going to do wishes plus the simple past, but when we have past wish, okay, you have to put wishes plus the past perfect, okay. So this is the thing concerning this lesson. So I hope you enjoy it. I hope it's going to be helpful for you, and thank you so much.